Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of My Hungry Family. Today we're making Hawaiian Roll cheeseburger sliders. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications. Start off by slicing the Hawaiian Rolls horizontally. In a large mixing bowl, add in 1 pound ground beef, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, and we mix. Place the beef into a baking dish and spread out evenly. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Remove the beef from the oven and set to the side. Cut out the number of Hawaiian rolls to fit your cooked beef. Open the rolls and place the cooked beef on the bottom half. Add your choice of cheese on top and place the top half of the rolls back on. Drizzle melted butter on top of each roll. Then sprinkle on some sesame seeds. Bake in the oven again at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 more minutes. And just like that, delicious, easy cheeseburger sliders. Cut them up and serve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, tell a friend. We'll see you in the kitchen next time.